Today's the big day. Today's the closing for H-6. This is the final video. We're looking at the house. It's got this great little concrete and two steps. They face each other, gives you this great little area. And the reason the steps don't face that way is because there's a little incline. You got your air conditioner. Let's take a look inside. Is this amazing? Wow, this kitchen is so spectacular. So I just closed the door and you're hearing the silence. You've got this great little living room area and a fan, and all the lights are LED. And this kitchen is really magnificent. It looks great with this floor. That's the air conditioner you hear. Really stands out. You've got the black appliances and the New York subway tile. And it's a 4-appliance package, the Whirlpool dishwasher, the Whirlpool refrigerator, wooden cabinets. This is the Tuscany style with the European pulls. Great cabinet space. The double sink, the great gooseneck faucet, the Cipollino black countertop to go with the black appliances, and this is the Whirlpool stove oven. All brand new, all with warranties, and the microwave. There you go. It's a great contrast, the black and the Tuscan cabinetry. Let's step back, take a look. You got plenty of counters and cabinetry. Really wonderful space. Even above the refrigerator, there's cabinetry. And we add a little bonus. We add that little skirting along the edge of the cabinet. We think it gives a great little finished look. So that's really, really spectacular. Let's take a look at the living room from this end. These are thermopane, fully insulated windows. That's why it's so quiet. And this is your furnace, and this also runs your central air conditioner. This is very wide here, and we've seen other residents like put a little desk on this wall space here and make a little home office area. So here's your bathroom. Got your the paper is this waterproof, moisture-proof, and this is very heavy glass door, and it's a glass one-piece step-in shower stall with 2 seats. Everybody seems to love that. And you've got your commode, and it's got your little cosmetic box above it. Let's take a look at that. And you've got these beautiful LED globes above the mirrored, framed mirror. And there's your cabinetry. So let's go back to the bedroom. This is a 1-bedroom. Oops, before we stop, let's look at the area for the stackable washer and dryer. And then this is your bedroom. So this is a really great space. So unfortunately this house already sold, and I'm just showing you the final video of what we're producing. So here's your hot water heater, and we do the doors so that you can access it. At one time they used to put the access panel inside the closet, and that's just crazy because it would be like right there, and then you would have to take out all your clothes to access it. So here's the hot water turn off, emergency turn off if you're going away or traveling. And this closet is rather long, and you you've got this great wire rack and the bypass doors. Let's close that up, make it look pretty. You've got jacks on every wall, electric jacks, and the cable is right here, so you can put your bed in this corner, on this wall. Oh, I didn't put on the lights. I'm sorry. There's your LED lights. And again, look at that floor. We did linoleum throughout. That's an upgrade premium, but we find that most people are preferring that. So your cottage, 9-light cottage is in the back. And man, this is spectacular. I've been really thrilled how pretty this house turned out. So if you're interested in learning more about Dolan Homes and the houses we're building, email us at info@dolanhomes.com. Our website is dolanhomes.com, and on that website you'll find the website for our 3 communities in New Jersey. My home in Edison, my home in Carteret, which is where this house is located, and my home in Harbor Crossings, which is in Egg Harbor Township in Atlantic County, 15 minutes west of Atlantic City. So thank you again for visiting with us today. Please like and subscribe.